Hello everyone, today teach you to upgrade is the Lexus ES. This is its original car control. First, we remove these two decorative strips. Remove the decorative panel above the debris box. Now we remove the decorative panel of the instrument position, then remove its silver decorative strips. Now we remove its air conditioning button panel. Remove its air outlet. Okay, start to dismantle its screen. Pull out all the plugs on the back of it. Now start to remove its gear panel. Unscrew these two screws and remove the original car CD. That is probably what it looks like when it is removed. Now start to install. We must first match the wire connected, and then the original car CD reinstalled back. Reinstall the gear panel. Now connect to our new screen. These two antennas are 4G antenna and GPS antenna respectively. Connect the signal plug. Connect the video input plug. Connect the screen power plug. After all the connections are completed, the new screen will be installed. Reinstall the air outlet back. Reinstall the air conditioning key panel. Okay, reinstall this silver trim strip. Install the matching panel here. Reinstall the trim panel above the debris box. This panel is also mounted back. Finally, we put these two decorative strips back to complete. Okay, has been installed. A simple demonstration of the function. You can listen to local or download online music software here. It can also adjust the tone of music. You can watch your favorite movies. Online maps can be used. Support reversing effect. Support the original car steering wheel key to call Bluetooth phone. Support the original car button air conditioning control display information. You can also use the screen control. Support electronic dashboard. Support door reminder. Support wireless CarPlay Android Auto. You can use voice assistants here. Make calls. Listen to music. Use online maps and other mobile phone software applications.